Hey, this is Walt with Raybuck Auto Body Parts, and today I want to talk to you about a new product we have at Raybucks and Henry's. We have a new line of products from ProForm. Recently we've had some requests from some of our customers for things like primers, body filler, wax and grease removers, types of things you might need to help complete a project when you're doing putting a new panel on, or doing a patch panel. So we got this new line of ProForm products in, and today I want to show you the 1K self-etching primer. We've been using this a lot, especially now that we're doing the 67 Chevy pickup build. Works really good on a lot of things that we've been using it for. The one thing with the self-etching primer, it is meant for new or clean metal. If you're looking for something for rusty metal, you can use our Zero Rust product, but for new parts that you need to prime, or body panels that you've ground down and are nice and clean, the self-etching primer works very well. The one nice thing about the ProForm product is that it comes with two different nozzles. You can see when you get the can, it has this little nozzle, which is your typical spray nozzle, which gives you a little bit smaller spray pattern. But if you open the can up, you'll see that it has the larger black nozzle in it, and this nozzle is good for a wider spray pattern. If you have a body panel, like a large panel on a car, and you want to spray it, you don't want to get a bunch of lines in it. So I just want to show you real quick how that works and see what you think. Okay, so here's a part that we painted recently, and as you can see, the primer goes on nice and even. Typical flat kind of black finish for the for the self-etching primers, but goes on real nice, very even. Don't end up with like a lot of spots, run marks, anything like that. So that's just how the product goes on, just to show you a part that we did. But I want to show you how the two different spray nozzles can help you do maybe a little bit nicer job when you're painting something. This first one is going to be the larger, or I should say wider, spray pattern. So you can see how you get a lot of coverage out of that. It sprays a nice wide pattern, which is good for spraying larger panels and just kind of blending the paint in, so you don't get a real definitive line. So the other one is the smaller nozzle. That, like I said, will produce a smaller spray pattern. So you can see how that one focuses more, not as wide of a spray pattern, and we'll put on a little bit more paint, in one kind of shot. So that's the two different nozzles that you have on there. That works pretty well, especially if you're trying to, paint different types of parts. Like I said, something like that might work well for a body panel, where something with this spray nozzle on it works well for like brackets and little things where you don't need such a wide spray pattern. So that's about it though for the new ProForm products. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can check them out on our website, and thanks again for watching.